The impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on the supply chain, challenges and opportunities. Hello and welcome to Veterans Transport Network, LLC. Today, we're going to be discussing the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on the supply chain. As a veteran-owned transportation company, we've seen firsthand the challenges and disruptions that the pandemic has caused in the logistics industry. But we've also seen how businesses have adapted and found new opportunities in the face of these challenges. So let's dive in and explore the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on the supply chain. The impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on the supply chain, challenges and opportunities. The COVID-19 pandemic has had a major impact on the global supply chain, causing disruptions and challenges for many businesses around the world. One of the main ways in which the pandemic affected the supply chain was through disruptions to the global supply of goods and materials. Many countries implemented lockdowns and travel restrictions, which made it difficult for goods and materials to be shipped and transported. This caused delays and shortages in the supply chain, as well as an increase in the price of certain goods due to higher demand and limited supply. In addition to disruptions to the global supply of goods, the pandemic also led to a shift in consumer behavior. With many people staying at home and practicing social distancing, there was a significant increase in online shopping. This put pressure on the supply chain, as companies had to quickly adjust to changing demand patterns and meet the increased demand for e-commerce fulfillment. At the same time, the pandemic led to a decrease in demand for certain goods and services, such as travel and hospitality, which had a negative impact on the supply chain. The COVID-19 pandemic also had a disproportionate impact on small and medium-sized businesses, which often have limited resources and less flexibility in their supply chains. These businesses faced a number of challenges as a result of the pandemic, such as difficulty accessing financing, delays in receiving goods, and difficulty adapting to changes in consumer demand. Many small businesses also struggled to pivot to online sales or find new markets for their products and services. Overall, the COVID-19 pandemic has highlighted the need for supply chain resilience and flexibility. It's important for businesses to be prepared for future disruptions and to have the ability to adapt and respond quickly to changes in the market. This may involve implementing contingency plans, such as diversifying supplier sources or building up inventory buffers, to mitigate the impact of future disruptions. In addition, the pandemic has brought attention to the importance of sustainability in the supply chain, as businesses seek to reduce their environmental impact and improve their resilience to future crises. Conclusion. Thank you for joining us today as we discuss the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on the supply chain. It's clear that the pandemic has presented a number of challenges for businesses around the world, but it has also created opportunities for innovation and resilience. At Veterans Transport Network, LLC, we're committed to helping our clients navigate these challenges and find success in an ever-changing market. If you have any questions about how we can support your transportation needs, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thanks again for tuning in, and we hope you have a great day.